sees some sort of relief from the incessant rains as the rain has subsided in several districts. But the past few days created panic among people as rains, especially in hilly areas, alerted floods. Meantime, rainfall is heavy in the hilly areas of Palakkad district. Crop damage has also occurred in various parts. Rainwater damage on the first phase paddy crops has resulted in a great loss for farmers this year. It was all due to flood-like situation in the agricultural areas. The shutters of Malampuzha Dam were raised by 55 cm and also Mukai River overflowed. Algaes and plants settled in the river were removed with the help of a JCB. The washed away logs and debris due to the heavy flow of water were also removed. The flowing water of the Mukai River joins the Bharatapuzha through Kalpathi River. Also, the district collector informed that people living on the banks of the river should be cautious enough. In the last two Kerala floods, Sundaram colony in Shanguvaratod was heavily affected by the flooding water. Various caseways in the district are underwater now. Parambikulam Aliyar Dam's shutters have been opened as rain continues in the agricultural areas here. Kalpathi River and Chittur Shokanashni River flows through Mulattara regulator to Parali side and together it reaches Bharatapuzha and flow into the sea. Sirvani Dam shutter was also opened. In an incident, a patient named Leela from Singham colony was taken to Kottathara hospital by crossing the Kurukwela stream to the colony. As the ambulance could not reach the colony to take the patient to the hospital, people crossed the stream with the patient for a distance of about 200 meters. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.